You can download this unique blog post text file from description below and use it on your site. #ChatGPT revolutionizes physics education. ### physics battle, ChatGPT versus Google. #ChatGPT solves physics problems. #ChatGPT in engineering solutions. #ChatGPT in competitive coding. #AIVS leetcode, revolutionizing interviews. #Write essays with ChatGPT. #Write essays with ChatGPT. #new chat. #new chat. Decimal to double conversion. Convert decimal to double. Convert decimal to double. Decimal to double conversion. Convert decimal to double. Convert decimal to double. Decimal to double conversion. Convert decimal to double. Convert decimal to double. Unobtrusive captcha for web. Crear GUI ejecutable Python. Console access troubleshooting tutorial. New chat. Disk space of SQL table. New chat. AVL tree insertion tutorial. ASP.NET Ajax and icallbackeventhandler. Flex unit testing setup tutorial. Unleashing the power of ChatGPT in the world of physics. In a world brimming with technological marvels, there's a new contender making waves, ChatGPT. But this time, it's not just about assisting with everyday tasks or answering casual inquiries. No, ChatGPT is stepping into the complex and captivating realm of physics. Hold on to your seats as we delve deep into this exciting journey of ChatGPT taking on physics and revolutionizing the way we understand the universe. The genesis of Chat's physics adventure. Before we dive into Chat's incredible feats in the world of physics, let's take a moment to understand how this artificial intelligence marvel works. ChatGPT is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, which is a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text, making it an ideal candidate for tackling complex scientific topics, including physics. Chat's journey into the world of physics begins with its extensive training on a vast corpus of text, which includes textbooks, research papers, and articles about physics. This training equips ChatGPT with a deep understanding of the subject matter, allowing it to provide insightful and accurate information on various physics topics. Einstein's playground, ChatGPT explains relativity. One of the most iconic theories in the realm of physics is Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. ChatGPT takes on this formidable subject with ease, explaining the two primary components, special relativity and general relativity. Special relativity, Albert Einstein's special relativity theory, published in 1905, revolutionized our understanding of space and time. It introduced the concept that space and time are not absolute but are intertwined in what is known as space-time. ChatGPT can explain how special relativity challenges our everyday notions of time and space, making it a fascinating topic for both physicists and enthusiasts. In addition to understanding the theory, ChatGPT can provide examples and applications of special relativity in the real world, such as the famous twin paradox or the global positioning system, GPS, corrections due to relativistic effects. General relativity, Moving on to the grander stage of general relativity, ChatGPT dives into the depths of gravity and its relation to the curvature of space-time. It elucidates how massive objects, such as stars and planets, warp the fabric of space-time, causing the phenomenon we know as gravity. #ChatGPT can also shed light on the fascinating predictions of general relativity, such as gravitational time dilation, the bending of light by gravity, gravitational lensing, and the existence of black holes. Moreover, it can provide insights into ongoing research and experiments that aim to test and validate Einstein's theory in extreme conditions, like the Event Horizon Telescope's groundbreaking image of the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy M87. #Quantum Wonders, Chat's take on quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is another captivating branch of physics, characterized by its mind-bending concepts and counterintuitive phenomena. ChatGPT doesn't shy away from the quantum realm. Instead, it embraces the challenge and offers explanations that demystify this intricate field. Wave-particle duality, ChatGPT can elucidate the fundamental concept of wave-particle duality, which suggests that particles like electrons and photons can exhibit both wave-like and particle-like behavior depending on the experimental context. It delves into the famous double-slit experiment, demonstrating how it exemplifies this intriguing phenomenon. Quantum entanglement, the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, famously described by Einstein as spooky action at a distance, is a topic that ChatGPT can explore in detail. It explains how entangled particles can instantaneously influence each other's properties, regardless of the distance separating them. ChatGPT can also discuss the potential applications of entanglement in emerging technologies like quantum computing and quantum cryptography. #Chat's Toolbox, solving complex physics problems. Beyond explaining physics concepts, ChatGPT possesses the remarkable ability to assist with solving complex physics problems. Whether you're a student struggling with a homework assignment or a researcher grappling with a challenging theoretical question, ChatGPT is your virtual physicist companion. Here's how ChatGPT can help. Mathematical problem solving, ChatGPT can tackle complex mathematical equations and provide step-by-step solutions. Whether it's solving differential equations in quantum mechanics or deriving formulas in electromagnetism, ChatGPT has your back. Mathematical problem solving, ChatGPT can tackle complex mathematical equations and provide step-by-step solutions. Whether it's solving differential equations in quantum mechanics or deriving formulas in electromagnetism, ChatGPT has your back. Simulations and experiments, ChatGPT can guide you through designing simulations or experiments to test physical hypotheses. It can suggest experimental setups, parameters to vary, and expected outcomes based on your research objectives. Simulations and experiments, ChatGPT can guide you through designing simulations or experiments to test physical hypotheses. It can suggest experimental setups, parameters to vary, and expected outcomes based on your research objectives. Data analysis, if you have experimental data that needs analysis, ChatGPT can assist in data interpretation, statistical analysis, and visualization techniques. It can even help you choose the most appropriate analysis methods for your specific data set. Data analysis, if you have experimental data that needs analysis, ChatGPT can assist in data interpretation, statistical analysis, and visualization techniques. It can even help you choose the most appropriate analysis methods for your specific data set. The quantum landscape, Chat's top quantum physics concepts. Let's take a closer look at some intriguing concepts in quantum physics that ChatGPT can unravel. Superposition, ChatGPT explains how quantum particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to the principle of superposition. It can describe experiments like Schrödinger's cat and quantum computers' qubits, which rely on superposition for their computational power. ###superposition, ChatGPT explains how quantum particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to the principle of superposition. It can describe experiments like Schrödinger's cat and quantum computers' qubits, which rely on superposition for their computational power. ###quantum tunneling, delve into the fascinating world of quantum tunneling, where particles can penetrate energy barriers that classical physics would deem impenetrable. ChatGPT can elucidate how this phenomenon plays a crucial role in nuclear fusion, electron tunneling microscopy, and even the functioning of transistors in electronic devices. ###quantum tunneling, delve into the fascinating world of quantum tunneling, where particles can penetrate energy barriers that classical physics would deem impenetrable. ChatGPT can elucidate how this phenomenon plays a crucial role in nuclear fusion, electron tunneling microscopy, and even the functioning of transistors in electronic devices. ###quantum teleportation, while it may sound like science fiction, quantum teleportation is a real phenomenon in the quantum world. ChatGPT can demystify the concept, explaining how the state of one particle can be transmitted to another particle, even if they are separated by vast distances. This concept has far-reaching implications for quantum communication and quantum encryption. ###quantum teleportation, while it may sound like science fiction, quantum teleportation is a real phenomenon in the quantum world. ChatGPT can demystify the concept, explaining how the state of one particle can be transmitted to another particle, even if they are separated by vast distances. This concept has far-reaching implications for quantum communication and quantum encryption. ###chat's mission, bridging the gap in physics education. ###beyond assisting with complex physics problems and explaining intricate concepts, ChatGPT has a broader mission in the world of education. It aims to bridge the gap in physics education by providing accessible and engaging explanations that cater to learners of all levels. Whether you're a high school student grappling with the basics of classical mechanics or a graduate student navigating the intricacies of quantum field theory, ChatGPT tailors its responses to your level of understanding. It can adapt its explanations to be as simple or as in-depth as needed, ensuring that physics becomes an approachable subject for all. The cosmic playground, ChatGPT and astrophysics. Physics extends its reach far beyond the confines of our planet, and ChatGPT is ready to explore the cosmic playground of astrophysics. From the birth and death of stars to the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, ChatGPT offers a front-row seat to the wonders of the universe. Stellar nucleosynthesis, ChatGPT can delve into the fascinating process by which stars forge elements through nuclear reactions. It explains how the death throes of massive stars result in supernovae, scattering heavy elements like gold and uranium into space, eventually contributing to the formation of planets and life as we know it. Black holes and beyond, when it comes.